Lindsay Todd, aka House of Traps, Firecracker Recordings. This project is a 12-inch custom, bespoke, screen printed collector's edition white vinyl. It's a remix of our first EP from Liquid Family, Miles Away, which was released back in 2004, and it's a remix by Intrusion from Chicago. The initial process starts with building a screen, a wooden frame, stretching silk over the top, then applying a photo emulsion, exposing an acetate to the photo emulsion, cleaning the screen, and that creates your stencil. From the stencil, you lay this on what's called a screen printing bed or press, and from there the vinyl sleeves are put under the screen, and then ink is applied to the screen, squeegeed over the top, and repeated as needed. I was quite keen to have something that would look really different, so what I wanted to do was have a screen printed outer, but also screen printing with a light ink, so it's a white ink I'm using on an off black Pantone sleeve. So the white ink had to be processed as a negative on the screen. Then at litho stage, the inside of the sleeve was printed as well, so that arrived to me with the inside printed. And then the inner sleeve was also ordered bespoke, and the vinyl, which is 180 gram white vinyl, housed in Japanese polythene albums. Friend who has a studio. I'm lucky enough to share the space with them. We're actually working in a 70s disused office block, kind of spooky. There's large floors that are left available for drying and for stamping and quality swings. Bought this record and you see it was state, then it's guaranteed that I would have been swearing and shouting as well.